Are you curious about online privacy? Today, we're comparing DuckDuckGo and Brave. Both tools promise to keep your browsing safe, but how do they really stack up? DuckDuckGo is a search engine that doesn't track you. It gives you search results without collecting your data. You can search freely, knowing your privacy is protected. It's simple and effective. Brave, on the other hand, is a web browser that blocks ads and trackers automatically. It speeds up your browsing experience. Brave also has its own search engine which focuses on privacy too. It's designed to keep your data safe while you surf the web. Now, let's look at the main differences. DuckDuckGo is primarily a search engine. It focuses on providing private search results. Brave is a full browser that offers more features like blocking ads and tracking. So, if you want a search tool, DuckDuckGo is the way to go. If you want a complete browsing experience, choose Brave. When it comes to features, both tools shine in their own ways. DuckDuckGo offers a straightforward search experience. It has a clean interface and is easy to use. Brave provides a faster browsing experience by blocking unwanted ads. It also has a rewards program for viewing ads, which is unique. Pricing is another factor. DuckDuckGo is free to use. Brave is also free, but it offers optional features that may cost extra. So, which one should you choose? If you're looking for a simple search engine, go with DuckDuckGo. If you want a browser that gives you speed and privacy, Brave is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.